Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties. Here to show you this amazing listing, 30311 via Borica. We are just down the street from Point Vicente Elementary School, and this is a cul-de-sac, but it butts up against the Palos Verdes Estates. You can see the San Gabriel Mountain Range or Santa Monica Mountains in the back, across LA Bay, and then this will all be ocean. So 3-car garage, and it's just been remodeled. You can see the smooth stucco, and look at this door. Super cool door. I'm wearing flip-flops today. It's a nice day in Palos Verdes. Not quite 80, but feels like it. It's super nice. So recessed lighting LED. It's got the big vault, the nice big beam. You know, it's really clean work here. It's got the big plank floors. And, you know, Shazam, you walk right on into this big, open, bifold, and great view. Bifold is super cool. It's a big one. A lot of panels. And then we got our palms here and a lot of ocean. So the ocean view stretches around. You'll see the tip of Malibu right out here. So you get sunsets all year long. The little island is probably right out here, and it's so bright. But that little island, Santa Barbara Island, that's where the sun sets in the winter. And then you can see Catalina and the Isthmus. So super fantastic view. That's super nice. And this has all been, there's air conditioning, terraced off to give you more land here in the flat. It's got the steps going down from the other room. This is super cool. Nice big gas pit, fireplace. Big balcony here. Indoor, outdoor living. Super cool. Nice real open kitchen with a bar top, and the bar top's positioned for a really great view from right here. This is beautiful. This is really smart. Super smart. Stove on the back, nice backsplash. All this white cabinetry. Nice. And then one of our drawers in the back. Metal, there's metal in, but they're super nice. Omega with cushion clothes. Sweet. All right, so then this way we have a second living room, and it's got a bar. Little prep sink, and another dishwasher, and a bar. So then living room with the TV set, and more of a formal room, and then dining up in the front with the vault. And I like that. I like that a lot. And this will be a nice dining room looking out that way. So let's check out this side. We have a service area, then a bath. It's a half bath, pedestal. Then we have our laundry here. And then into our garage, big garage. Some storage over here. So this is a raised foundation. We have a crawl space under the house. We have one back bedroom here. With a bit of a vault in the ceiling, and it has its own bath with a 3/4. Nice. All right, on the other side, let's go this way first. Oh, big room. Wow. Nice 3/4 bath here. A big room. Built-ins. And these windows are new. Nice. So they're both en suite. I'm doing work here. But this is another big room. So en suite, bathroom, meaning, so there's a bathroom inside the bedroom. You can come down to the master. Pretty. And it's got everything. Double sink, nice tub, shower doors, rain, trench, and a walk-in with nice details. It's cool. Well, this is a real beautiful property. If you're looking for a home, give me a call. The market's been really crazy. I do know of some off-market deals, and I also grew up in this neighborhood, so I love to talk about this part of Palos Verdes. I think it's real special. So make it a great day.